Welcome students, welcome class 12. Uh, Students, I hope you all have done till question number 81. Today we'll start from question number 82. So I'm reading out question number 82. Question number 82 is A, B and C are partners sharing profits in the ratio of 5:4:1. C is given a guarantee that is minimum share of profit is given in any given year would be at least 5,000, right? That means कि A, B and C are three partners. A, B and C are three partners. Their profit sharing ratio is 5:4:1 and profit given to C is 5,000. Deficiency if any would be borne by A and B equally. ठीक है, अगर this is the guaranteed profit given to C, which is 5,000, right? So now if any deficiency is there, then A and B would equally bond it. That means A and B equally उसको शेयर करेंगे अगर कहीं भी उसकी उसका जो प्रॉफिट है वो 5,000 से नीचे आता है, ठीक है. दैट मीन्स द नेट प्रॉफिट फॉर द ईयर गिवन इज 40,000. 40,000 is the net profit. So this is your basically question number 82. और आपको क्या करना है, you have to pass the journal entry. You have to pass the journal entry. ठीक है. I've already solved this question. Just have a look at this. A, B and C are three partners. 40,000 आपका yearly profit है, net profit. We have to distribute in the ratio of 5:4:1. तो 5:4:1 में हमने distribute किया. प्रॉफिट आया 20,000, 16,000 एंड 4,000. तो सी को हमने क्या प्रॉमिस किया, वी हैव प्रॉमिस कि उसको 5,000 मिलेगा. दैट मीन्स 1,000 वी हैव टू गिव इट टू हिम. और ये जो 1,000 है ये इक्वली वुड बी शेयर्ड बाय ए एंड बी. तो -500 हमने दोनों ए एंड बी में से कर दिया. दिस इज द फाइनल शेयर ऑफ प्रॉफिट. नाउ इस क्वेश्चन में क्या अलग है, बस हमें जर्नल एंट्री बनानी सीखनी है. सो जर्नल एंट्री इज P&L एप्रोप्रिएशन अकाउंट 40,000. जो फर्स्ट जर्नल एंट्री आप करोगे वो ये जो आपका प्रॉफिट शेयर है आप इसकी जर्नल एंट्री करोगे, ठीक है. अगर जर्नल एंट्री वो आपसे पूछता है देन इज आस्क्ड इन द क्वेश्चन, देन यू हैव टू पास द जर्नल एंट्री फॉर दीज थ्री अमाउंट, ठीक है. तो ये थ्री अमाउंट्स की हम पहले जर्नल एंट्री कर देंगे. दैट इज P&L एप्रोप्रिएशन अकाउंट 40,000 टू A's कैपिटल, टू B's कैपिटल, टू C's कैपिटल 20,000, 16,000, 4,000, ठीक है. देन सेकेंड जर्नल एंट्री वुड बी A's capital account debit 500, B's capital account debit 500 to C's capital account, ठीक है. हमने पढ़ा था that if we are taking something from the partner it is debited, पार्टनर का कैपिटल अकाउंट डेबिट होगा. और अगर इफ यू आर गिविंग समथिंग टू दी पार्टनर्स कैपिटल अकाउंट देन इट इज क्रेडिटेड. तो सी का कैपिटल अकाउंट में हम क्रेडिट करेंगे क्योंकि इट इज इंक्रीजिंग, एंड ए और बी का कैपिटल अकाउंट डेबिट करेंगे बिकॉज इट इज डिक्रीजिंग बाय 500, ठीक है. सो दीज टू जर्नल एंट्री विल बी पास्ड इफ ही आस्क्ड फॉर अ जर्नल एंट्री, ठीक है. देन क्वेश्चन नंबर 83 and 84 you will try. Coming to question number 87. Question number 87. Asghar, Chaman and Dolu are partners in a firm. Their capital accounts stood at 6 lakh, 5 lakh and 4 lakh. Respectively on 1st April 2019. They shared profit and losses in the proportion of 4:2:3. So let's see what is the question. Question number 87. Asgar, Chaman and Dholu are the three partners. Their profit sharing ratio is 4:2:3. Their capital is 5 lakh, 4 lakh, 6 lakh, 5 lakh and 4 lakh. ठीक है, 6 lakh, 5 lakh and 4 lakh. Partners are entitled to interest on capital 8% per annum. Interest on capital would be 8% per annum. Salary to Chaman and Dholu at the rate 700 per month and 10,000 per quarter respectively. Salary to Chaman is 700. Salary is 700 per month. 700 per month. ठीक है. Then for Dholu it is 10,000 per quarter. That means 10,000 into 4. Right? ये हो जाएगा आपका 84,000 and this would be 40,000. Dholu's share of profit is guaranteed at a minimum of 1,10,000 per annum. Dholu's share of profit excluding interest on capital but including salary is minimum 1,10,000. ठीक है. सो धोलू का शेयर ऑफ प्रॉफिट कितना होना चाहिए? मिनिमम 1,10,000. बट हियर वी हैव टू कीप इन माइंड दैट एक्सक्लूडिंग इंटरेस्ट ऑन कैपिटल है. इंटरेस्ट ऑन कैपिटल उसमें एक्सक्लूड करके बट सैलरी इंक्लूड करके उसका प्रॉफिट 1,10,000 होना चाहिए. ठीक है. धोलू का जो 40,000 है ये इंक्लूड करके उसका शेयर ऑफ प्रॉफिट 1,10,000 होना चाहिए. Any deficiency arising on that account shall be met by Asgar. So guarantee is given by Asgar. Net profit for the year is 4,24,000. Now you have to prepare profit and loss appropriation account for the year ended 31st March 2020. So I hope the question is clear. Asgar, Chaman and Dholu are three partners. 4:2:3 is their profit sharing ratio. Their capital is 6 lakh, 5 lakh, 4 lakh. Interest on capital is 8% per annum. Salary is for Chaman is 7,000 per month, that is 84,000. For Dholu it is 10,000 per quarter, that is 40,000. Dholu's share of profit would be excluding interest on capital but including salary. So including this 40,000, his share of profit for the year should be 1,10,000, and this guarantee is given by Asgar. Now the net profit for the year is 4,24,000, and we have to prepare here is the profit and loss appropriation account. So let us prepare the format of profit and loss appropriation account. By P&L account, net profit आपका कितना है? It is 4,24,000. To interest on capital, Asgar, Chaman and Dholu. Interest on capital कितना आया है, we have to find out. So working note, असगर का, चमन and Dholu. Asgar is 6 lakh, 5 lakh and 4 lakh. So 8% is the interest on capital. 48,000, 40,000, 32,000. 48,000, 40,000, 32,000. 1,20,000 is the interest on capital. To salary, Chaman and Dholu, it is 84,000 and 40,000. 1,24,000. Now to profit, transfer to capital account. Asgar, Chaman and Dholu. Now the balancing figure here is 1,80,000. ये आपका balancing figure आया है. This is your answer. Now in the working note, you have to find out their share of profit. This was your first working note. Second working note, Asgar, Chaman and Dholu. Asgar का कितना है, 1,80,000, 1,80,000, 1,80,000. Share of Asgar is 4, 4/9, 2/9 and 3/9. 80,000. This will come out to as 40,000 and this will come out to as 60,000. ठीक है. Now here Dholu के लिए क्या था, Dholu के लिए what was the guarantee, that excluding interest on capital but including salary. Including salary it should be 1,10,000. So first we have to add here his salary. His salary is 40,000. 40,000 is his salary. कितना हो जाता है, 1 lakh. So still 10 lakh is less. Still उसका 10 lakh कम आ रहा है, तो हमें obviously वादा किया तो निभाना पड़ेगा. 1,10,000 we have to give 10,000 as a guarantee to him. And this 10,000, ये loss, ये deficiency would be borne by Asgar because Asgar had given this guarantee. So minus 10,000 from Asgar. 70,000. ठीक है, 70,000, 40,000 and 1,10,000 is the share of profit. Coming to next question, that is question number 88. Question number 88 is Ankur, Bhavna and Disha are the partners in a firm. On 1st April 2019, their capital accounts stood at 14 lakh, 6 lakh and 4 lakh. So Next question is 88. Ankur, Bhavna and Disha are three partners. Their capitals is 14 lakh, 6 lakh and 4 lakh. Their profit sharing ratio is 7:3:2. Partners are entitled to interest on capital at 6% per annum. Interest on capital is 6% per annum. Salary to Bhavna is 50,000 per annum. Salary to Bhavna is 50,000 per annum. And commission of 3,000 per month to Disha as per the provisions of partnership deed. So commission to Disha is 3,000 per month, that is by 12 करोगे तो 36,000 would be the commission. Bhavna's share of profit excluding interest on capital is guaranteed not less than 1,70,000. Disha's share of profit including interest on capital but excluding commission is guaranteed at not less than 1,50,000 per annum. So here in this question there are two guarantees given in this question. भावना का जो शेयर ऑफ प्रॉफिट है वो कितना गारंटीड है 1,70,000 एक्सक्लूडिंग इंटरेस्ट ऑन कैपिटल, ठीक है. एंड दिशा का शेयर ऑफ प्रॉफिट इन कितना है, इट इज 1,50,000 including interest on capital but excluding commission. सो दिशा का ये जो कमीशन है ये हटाकर बट इंटरेस्ट ऑन कैपिटल लगाकर उसका प्रॉफिट शेयर जो है 1,50,000 आना चाहिए, ठीक है. So any deficiency arising on that account shall be met by Ankur. The profit of the firm for the year ended amounted to 9,50,000. So guarantee is given by Ankur and net profit for the year is 9,50,000. ठीक है. You have to prepare profit and loss appropriation account. I hope the question is clear. Ankur, Bhavna and Disha are three partners. 14 lakh, 6 lakh, 4 lakh are their capital. 7:3:2 is their profit sharing ratio. Interest on capital is 6% per annum. Salary given to Bhavna is 50,000. Commission is 3,000 per month, that is 36,000. Bhavna 1,70,000 excluding interest on capital is her guarantee. Then Disha is given 1,50,000 guarantee of 1,50,000 including interest on capital but excluding commission. So guarantee is given by Ankur and the net profit is 9,50,000, right? So start preparing the profit and loss appropriation account. So by P&L account, net profit is 9,50,000. To interest on capital, Ankur, Bhavna and Disha prepare a working note for interest on capital. Ankur, Bhavna and Disha. अंकुर की कैपिटल है 14 लाख, भावना इज एट 6 लाख, दिशा इज एट 4 लाख. Interest on capital is 6%. So it is 84,000, 36,000, 24,000. Interest on capital 84,000, 36,000, 24,000. Total is 1,44,000. Now to B's salary 50,000, to Disha's commission 36,000. Do write the names properly, Ankur, Bhavna and Disha. I have written in short, but you write it properly. Now close this account. To profit transfer to capital account, Ankur, Bhavna and Disha. Balancing the figure would be 7,20,000. So working note second. ठीक है. What is their profit sharing ratio? It is 7:3:2. So 7/12, 3/12, 2/12. It will come out to as 4,20,000, 1,80,000, 1,20,000. ठीक है. Now if we look at their guarantee, भावना को already guaranteed था 1,70,000. So यहाँ भावना is getting a share of profit 1,80,000. ये मैंने कल आपको point in the concept मैंने लिखवाया भी था that अगर किसी पार्टनर का गारंटी से ज़्यादा प्रॉफिट शेयर आता है then he would be given that profit share only. ठीक है. सो भावना वुड बी हैप्पी कि उसको गारंटी से ज़्यादा उसको प्रॉफिट शेयर मिल रहा है, तो 1,80,000 वुड बी हर गारंटी. तो यहाँ आपको कुछ भी करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. नाउ कमिंग टू दिशा. दिशा का क्या था? इंक्लूडिंग इंटरेस्ट ऑन कैपिटल बट एक्सक्लूडिंग कमीशन. सो इंक्लूडिंग इंटरेस्ट ऑन कैपिटल, इंक्लूडिंग इंटरेस्ट ऑन कैपिटल दिशा का शेयर था 24,000. सो प्लस 24,000 यानी 144. Disha was guaranteed 1,50,000. Still her share is less. That means हमें more 6,000 उसको देना पड़ेगा, तब 1,50,000 उसका share होगा, है ना. That means this and the guarantee was given by Ankur. So this 6,000 would be deducted from Ankur's share. So Ankur का share कितना हो जाएगा? 4,14,000. ठीक है. So 4,14,000, 1,80,000. Disha's share is 1,50,000. So this is your answer. I hope students the questions are clear to you. Please complete your notes till question number 91. I hope you all will be able to do it. ठीक है. I'll be uploading these questions. Try to do it on your own. Till question number 90, I think you all can do it. So till question number 90, try to do it. Till question 81, you have already done. We have done question number 83, 83, 84, then 85, 86, 89 and 90. You all can do it, right? Goodbye.